Good afternoon, dear children. Try to recall the lesson, The Story of Amrita, which we studied in the last class. Today, we shall discuss some questions based on the lesson. Children, is there a place near your house, school, or along the roadside where trees have been planted? Yes, trees are planted on the roadside. Were these trees planted by anyone, or did they grow by themselves? Some of them grew by themselves, some were planted by people. Why were they planted there? They were planted there to get fruits and shade. Have you seen anyone taking care of these trees? Who does this? No, nobody looks after them. Have you seen fruits in any of these trees? Who eats these fruits? Yes, young children, animals, and birds eat these fruits. Children, do you know any place where grass, small plants, or trees are growing on their own without being planted? Yes, in the fields or in forests, grass grows on its own. Why do you feel that these are growing on their own? Nobody has planted the grass. Still, they are growing there because they get water, sun, and minerals from nature. Do you remember what the elders of Kedaji village used to say? They used to say, अगर पेड़ हैं तो हम हैं. Plants and animals can survive without us, but we cannot survive without them. Do you think we could survive if there were no trees and no animals? No. Without trees and animals, we won't be able to survive. You must have observed a tree near your locality. So, answer of these questions may vary on your own observations. Does the tree have flowers? The answer may be yes or no. Do the flowers remain always on the trees? No. When do the leaves of the tree fall? The answer may be December or any other month. Does it bear fruits? Answer may be yes or no. What kind of fruit and when does it grow? It may be mango and the month may be May. Have you eaten fruits like this? The answer may be yes or no. Children, do you know there are rules against hunting of some animals? People can be punished for hunting. Even some people hunt. Why do people hunt? To have fun, for bones, and for skin. Do you know that one can be punished for hunting animals? Yes. Why there is punishment? To protect the innocent animals. What are some animals and birds that your grandparents could see when they were of your age? Goat, cow, cuckoo, sparrow, pigeons are some examples. Can we still see those animals and birds? Yes, but in less number. Shanti's grandfather told her that when he was a small child, he saw more birds like sparrow and manna than he sees today. Can you make two guesses why their number has become less? Yes, it is because of hunting and destructions of forests and trees. Which kind of tree you see a lot in your area? Name two such trees. It may be mango and coconut. Dear children, write all these questions and answers in your notebook. Thank you.